Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad SYAHMI from 4A, and today I would like to present about our sport equipment system. So I'm going to demo on how to be a user. So first we go to login, and then as a first time user we need to sign up for a new account. So my student ID, for example, my full name, home address, let's put Jalan Langgar, my phone number, and my email. Lastly, my password. Let's put a short one. So we can sign up. So the system will display successfully registered. And next we have to log in for the account that we made. 1 2 3 4 5 log in. Okay, so it works. Now let's go to log out back, and I will show you if the login page works. So I'm sorry, the sign up page works. So we put anything. So if you want to clear all of this, you can just press clear button and then cancel to go back to the choice between admin login and user login. So we registered as user, so we login back. Macam ini 1 2 3 4 5 login, and there you go. This is the index page for user profile. So this is my profile that I have entered during sign up. Now we can also update our personal data, such as if I want to update my name, I can just do that. Macam ASRI, and update my student ID. So update, record updated successfully. So if you go back, profile, the student ID and the name has been updated. And we can also update our password. So my current password is 1 2 3 4 5, and my new password we'll put AKMAL 1 2 3. Confirm password AKMAL 1 2 3, and we update. Password changes successfully. For reservation of sports equipment, we are given date of reservation, equipment name, and quantity. So date of reservation, I'll put today. Equipment name, I would like to LAN football. Quantity, I'll put 2. So submit. Successfully apply booking. Now if you want to view, yeah, it will redirect right here. So basically after you input all of this, and it will directly redirect you to view reservation. So my reservation ID is 8, student ID, and the sport equipment that I would like to borrow, the quantity, and the status. So the status is pending because the admin has not approved it yet, and date of reservation. I can also delete my reservation. So if I'll try to do that, so I'll press delete. Record deleted successfully. So if you view reservation again, my reservation is gone. So we log out. We want to see if the password updated successfully. So we use user login. Oh, sorry. My previous password was AKMAL123. So we log in. There you go. The system works perfectly fine.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AZIB bin KAMARULZAMAN, and I will continue for the crude process of admin part. Okay, this is the homepage of admin. So it will appear the admin's profile. Okay, there have 5 crude process of admin, which is update personal data, update password, manage reservation, manage equipment, and most reserved equipment. Okay, for the first one is update personal data or update the personal information. So in this part, admin can change or update his information. Okay, for example, I will change the name. Okay, so the admin can click the update button and will look the change. Alright. Okay, so it is success. Okay, the next one is update for password. So admin also can change the password. For example, the current password is A123. So put the new password and click the update button, and so we can confirm that it is success or not. So for example, I will put the password before, for example 123, and it is invalid or not success. Okay, so we will put the one that we have created before. Yes, it is success. Okay. Okay, the next one is manage the reservation. Admin also can manage the reservation by click the approve or the rejected button, and the admin can click the buttons by looking the date and the quantity. If many users book the same equipment and same date, and admin will look the available quantity of the equipment. Alright, so if the quantity of equipment not enough, so the admin will reject the reservation. Okay, for example, for this one, 2 users book the same sport equipment, which is tennis racket, and the quantity and the same day. So admin know that the availability of the quantity not enough, so the admin will reject the reservation. And for this one, admin will approve the reservation. So admin will click the approve button. So the status have changed to approve. Alright. Okay, the next one is manage equipment. For this page, admin can add the new equipment, can edit the equipment name and the quantity of the equipment. And for example, I will create the new equipment, which is basketball, and the quantity is 10. Alright, so it is success. And also admin also can edit the quantity, for example for tennis racket 18. Okay, back. So the available quantity have changed. Okay, this page also will appear to the user's page. Okay, and also admin also can delete the equipment. Okay, for example, I will delete this equipment, the basketball. Okay, so the basketball have been deleted. Okay, the next one is most reserved equipment. So in this part, admin can know the most reserved in for each month. Okay, for example, we click the January, so the most reserved in January is tennis racket, and the total booking is 3. Okay, so for February it's badminton racket. March, oh no data, no equipment that have been booking for this month. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad NAZIRUL MUBIN and I am from CS2304A, and today I'm going to present about the sport equipment registration system. Okay, first we go to the login page, and then this is the login page, which is the choice between the admin and the user login. So I will choose the admin login because I'm going to present the login page. And then this is the admin interface to insert the email and the password. Okay, I will insert the email and password, gmail.com, and then the password is abc123. Okay, after the login is successfully, and then the interface for the profile is here, and this is the profile that have been display when after the data have been updated. Next, this is for the view user. These all the users that have been registered in the database, and for the admin can view the users that have been registered from the registration. Okay, we can see the data of the user is here. So then I will proceed to log out, and then I will explain about the PHP. Okay, next I will present the code for the login page. This is the login.php code that will run the page between the admin page and the user login page. And then this is the main class, and inside the main class I put the reference, which is the href for the login admin.php. When this class submit the admin login button, and then it will refer to the login admin.php page. And then after it run the login admin page, and then it will go to the login user.php page. So this is the user login.php, and then after that it will go to the home page, and when the user click the home page and it will run and point it to the href index.php. And then if the user don't have the account, and it will sign up at the PHP. Okay, it will sign up at PHP. Next, we go to the login.php. So this is the code for the login.php. The email, password, SQL result, and the row count is the data that into the server that have been entered into the database. And if the result match with the my user and my password, table row must be one row. and then the above, the below of the code will go to the HTML text. Okay, this is for the coding for the main of the login admin PHP, and then we run the CSS to display the code. After that, we will run to the sign up button and go to the main class, and after that the code will run the placeholder of the password and the email, and it will run also the submit. And we also insert the JavaScript tags, which is for the script source, login, vendor, key create, and key remain. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, my name is Muhammad bin MAZLAN. So I'm going to talk about the coding side of this stuff. Now, this is our update personal information page. In here, for the coding, we are going to create a table, and it will consist of a placeholder for student ID, name, home address, phone number, and email, and of course update button, which we name it update ID. Now, after that, we are going to retrieve the data from the database. So we using MySQLi underscore query, we're going to select start from user or table user, where ID is equal to user ID. Now, from there we're going to put into the placeholder, which is here, and then echo it into the text box. From there, we are also going to create if when the button is click, it will execute the command here, which are it will use the data that we write in the text here and pretty much update it and put it into our SQL or our database. Now, for our reservation, let's talk about our reservation. Of course, we are going to create a table. In there, we're going to have date of reservation, equipment name, and quantities. From here, in the equipment name, we have a few selection that have been updated or included by the admin. From there, we are going to request the data from our database from the table called equipment list. Then we're going to retrieve as many data that being stored, which are bicycle, badminton racket, tennis racket, ping pong bat, football, netball, volleyball, and basketball. Now, after the information being stored, for example like this, we're going to take netball and stuff like that and click submitted. It will pop out a message from here. Now, from here, after the button is clicked, the information will be stored into booking underscore date, equipment ID, and booking quantities. And from there, we're going to insert into booking based on the student ID, and it will execute a script and prompt up a message saying that the booking has been successfully applied. Then from there, it will pass on into this section, the view table. Of course, we are going to use table again. We have the table headers, the table body. From there, going to retrieve from table booking using this command, and going to display one by one every single data that being stored from there. Then we pretty much display it into TDs or table into our table, and that's it. We also have included delete button in case the user want to delete it, and there you have it. That's all from me.